How to use Quick Toolbar in the upper part of the spa reservation calendar. Besides filtering tools found in the upper toolbar of the spa reservation calendar, there are several additional icons that activate specific action for spa-related operations. The first one is the Quick Reservation icon. By clicking on it, new blank Quick Reservation screen will be opened. From this screen, we can enter the related guest's name, time, date, and type of service, and search for the available staff and place to provide it. With the next icon, we can quickly open the screen to add new membership card. By clicking on it, new blank card will be displayed so we can quickly fill it out and save. With the plus button, we may add new reservation. All we need to do is to find the desired hotel guest's or member's name, select one of the listed services, and click on the next button. In the next step, we can also set the discount for this service with the related description if desired. After clicking on the Save button, new reservation will be added to the waiting list. In case we define specific products and packages that we sell in our spa facilities, we can quickly reach the sales list by clicking on these buttons. It is also possible to add new records for the product and packages sales and use the action menu to perform certain operations related to payments. From this field, we see the today's date on the calendar. By using the left or right cursor, it is possible to display the past or future date in the calendar either on day-by-day basis or by selecting the specific day from the calendar. At any time, we may refresh and update the calendar screen by clicking on this button. With the two-arrow icon, new segment will be opened on the left part of the screen, listing the reservation based on their statuses. If we still have not assigned the staff and place for the related reservations, these will be listed under Waiting List. Under Finished tab, the reservation for which the services was done are displayed. Finally, under All tab, all of the reservations are listed, and from here, based on the related color and start time, we can get insight into whether this reservation is waiting, completed, with or without payment, etc. From the upper toolbar of this list, we may click on the Print button to print the check for the related reservation record, refresh the list, cancel the payment, or delete the whole reservation. Finally, from Action menu, we can quickly perform some additional operations such as taking payment and opening the membership card for the selected reservation. Finally, from this calendar, it is also possible to quickly fill out the day off form or to register when the related staff member is on a break and he or she will not be able to provide the service. From here, we should select the name of the desired staff member, reason for his/her leave, which can be set for the specific time period during the day or for the whole day. If necessary, after adding the short description for the leave, this will be marked in the calendar and we will not be able to make reservation for the related staff member during the block time period.